How to change name in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right of the screen and then navigate to your settings. From the account section, click on personal and account information. Then click on name. And here you will be able to change your name, such as the first, middle, and last name. So let's try that out. Once you're done, click on review change. And here Facebook will ask you to choose how your name will appear. So whether it will be first name, last name, or last name, first name. And once you do that, you need to enter your Facebook password in the field right here to confirm. And then click save changes and your Facebook name will be changed to whatever name you have set. But keep in mind that you won't be able to change your name within the next 16 days as Facebook tells you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.